PayPay Coin, PayPay, and Rexas Finance, RXS, are captivating the crypto market with bold price predictions and unique growth narratives. PayPay is focused on a 1000% rally backed by community support and a booming meme coin market. RXS positions itself for a fantastic 17,400% surge driven by its innovative real-world asset, RWA, tokenizing method. PayPay Coin, PayPay, eyes a 1000% rally. PayPay Coin, PayPay, has become very popular primarily because of its active community and the continuous comeback of meme coins. At $0.000018, PayPay has shown an excellent 1,186% increase year-to-date and an outstanding 85% gain in the last 2 months. These successes have helped it to rank among the best meme coins available in 2024. PayPay's increasing trend channel in the medium to long term shows investors constant hope for it. Though the price recently showed a minor decline, this is seen as a standard consolidation period in a positive direction. Approaching support at $0.000016, a crucial level capable of igniting a 100% surge shortly, the money is about here. The token's possibility of reaching a 1000% spike becomes more realistic as enthusiasm for meme coins strengthens and PayPay's community grows. PayPay's limited supply supports its positive view even more. Unlike certain meme coins with unbridled token issuing, PayPay's scarcity increases pressure on its price as demand rises. PayPay stays a fierce competitor for significant expansion in the next bull cycle with continuous community-driven campaigns and appeals to meme coin enthusiasts. Rexas Finance, RXS, a 17,400% blowout in the making. Rexas Finance, RXS, is becoming a transforming agent in the RWA field, while PayPay seeks to rule the meme coin scene. Through its creative platform, which tokenizes and controls actual assets, RXS presents a unique value proposition bridging conventional and digital financial systems. Currently valued at $0.175 in its 11th presale stage, the token represents a 500% rise from its initial price, attesting to its significant market demand and investor confidence. With approximately $34.61 million raised in its presale, Rexas Finance, RXS, has already demonstrated its strong potential. Unlike many crypto projects that depend on venture capitalist money, RXS has chosen a public presale mechanism to guarantee inclusion and let ordinary investors join its transforming journey. The larger crypto community has found great resonance in this strategy, which has also helped sustain presale momentum. The platform's strategic choices have significantly raised its profile and reputation. RXS's listing on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko has improved visibility and drawn a diverse spectrum of investors. Moreover, its strategy to list on 3 elite exchanges following presale will likely generate notable liquidity and propel its price higher. Combined with a good CertiK audit, which emphasizes the platform's security and openness, RXS has positioned itself as a reliable and highly potential investment. Rexas Finance, RXS, positioned for explosive growth. Not only is Rexas Finance, RXS, technologically innovative, but it is also quite relevant to the market. A trailblazer in the RWA tokenizing scene, RXS lets customers tokenize practically any asset, including intellectual property, art, and real estate. This function makes global asset management accessible to people worldwide and could transform it completely. Users can get complete or fractional ownership of valuable assets with a few clicks, democratizing investment possibilities worldwide. With its undervalued $0.175, the token appeals to investors looking for high-growth prospects as a reasonable starting point. One of the most valuable tokens available now, analysts estimate RXS might offer a 17,400% return. Not only a token, RXS is a movement aiming at reinventing the future of finance with its growing ecosystem, creative elements, and increasing acceptance. Conclusion: PayPay Coin, PayPay, and Rexas Finance, RXS, offer two different but interesting stories in the crypto sector. With its meme-coin appeal, PayPay seeks a 1000% rally and appeals to a developing community. Meanwhile, RXS is preparing for a 17,400% blowout by reinventing asset tokenization and enabling worldwide investors. Both tokens have great promise for individuals looking for advantageous prospects. Still, RXS is an excellent alternative for long-term investors because of its unique use and transforming vision. Whether your pull is PayPay's cultural appeal or RXS's groundbreaking invention, the next several months will be exciting for both tokens.